Hello students, in the last class we have discussed regarding the preparation, properties and uses of ethanol. Today we will discuss the preparation, properties and uses of acetic acid. We know acetic acid, the general formula is CH3COH, that is it has one carboxyl group, that is COH. It contains carboxyl group COH. This is the carboxyl acid group, and it is the second, we can say it is the second member of carboxylic acid. It is organic acids. So what are the preparation of acetic acid? Let us discuss first preparation of acetic acid. Acetic acid, it is also called ethanoic acid, that is the IPC name, but common name is acetic acid. Preparation, it can be prepared from alcohol. From alcohol we can prepare acetic acid. First, if you take, as it has two member carbon, as it has two carbon, so alcohol will be ethanol, CH3 CH2OH. When this alcohol gets oxidized by potassium permanganate in acidic medium, you have to remember this. When this ethanol, when ethanol is oxidized by potassium permanganate, acidified potassium permanganate, it convert to acetic acid. So this is one method of preparation of acetic acid. Second method, we can prepare that acetic acid from ester. Ester, generally the formula is, suppose one example, CH3COOC2H5. This is one example of ester. This is called ethyl acetate. Okay, this when it is hydrolysis in presence of, that is water and sulfuric acid, that is H+, then this ester gets hydrolyzed to parent acid, that is CH3COH, because it contains CH3COH. Ester has two parts, acid part and alcohol part. So the first member is acetic acid and second member is ethanol. Okay, so this is the two methods of preparation of acetic acid, from alcohol and from ester. Then properties of acetic acid. Acetic acid, first main important, it is water soluble. And boiling point of acetic is around 118 degrees Celsius, that is greater than water and alcohol, because the intermolecular bonding, the intermolecular attraction of acetic acid is greater than alcohol and water. That's why its boiling point of acetic acid is greater than water and alcohol. It is water soluble and boiling point is 118 degrees Celsius. It is beherage acid. It loses H+ ion in water. Beherage acid, and this acidic nature, it is weak acid. Acetic acid is not a strong acid, it is a weak acid and water soluble, and boiling point is 118 degrees Celsius. Then what are the chemical properties? If you discuss chemical properties, chemical nature, if you discuss acetic acid, first properties of acetic acid reacts with metal forming hydrogen gas and salt. Acetic acid reacts with sodium metal. As it is acidic character, it reacts with reactive metal forming hydrogen gas. This is very important properties of acetic acid. Acetic acid reacts with base, that is alkali, forming salt. Salt is sodium acetate and water, and this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Acid reacts with base forming salt and water, and some basic salt also reacts with acid. Sodium bicarbonate forming salt and carbon dioxide gas and water. This is very important reaction of acetic acid. Acetic acid reacts with some salt, that is bicarbonate salt, carbonate salt, it produces CO2 gas. Acetic acid reacts with sodium carbonate forming same acetate ion, carbon dioxide and water. So the properties, same properties, because sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate is basic nature, so reacts with acetic acid forming salt and CO2 gas. Acetic acid reacts with alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid, that is H plus, forming ester. Already we have discussed in alcohol chapter, plus water. So acetic acid reacts with alcohol, that is ethanol, forming ester. This reaction is called esterification. Already we have discussed earlier esterification. This reaction is called esterification, formation of ester from acid and alcohol. So acid reacts with base, acetic acid reacts with salt, basic salt, forming sodium acetate and CO2 gas. Acetic acid, when salt of acetic acid, this is very important, when salt of acetic acid, that is sodium acetate, when heated in presence of soda lime. Soda lime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. When heated, when this mixture gets heated, then produce alkane. Here alkane is methane and sodium carbonate is produced. This is a very important reaction. This reaction is called as decarboxylation. Decarboxylation reaction. This is called decarboxylation. That means when sodium salt of acetic acid gets heated in presence of soda lime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, it produces lower alkane. That means that alkane is produced is lower member. Here acetic acid contains 2 carbon, here it is 1 carbon. That's what is called what? Lower member alkane is produced, and as the loss of CO2, that's what is called decarboxylation. Loss of CO2 that produced in the form of sodium carbonate, because already we have taken sodium hydroxide, that carbon dioxide is produced forming sodium carbonate. So this reaction is called decarboxylation. Loss of carbon, that reduction of carbon. When carbon you can reduce from organic compound by decarboxylation method. So these are the very important chemical properties of carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. Acetic acid reacts with sodium metal forming hydrogen gas. Acetic acid reacts with base, strong base NaOH forming salt. Acetic reacts with, that is bicarbonate, carbonate salt forming CO2 gas. That is very important. That is taste of acetic acid, we can say. Then acetic acid reacts with alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid forming ester. This is ester. This is called ethyl acetate. This name is ethyl acetate. That is ester. Ester is produced from acetic acid. This is called esterification. And sodium salt of acetic acid, when it reacts with soda lime on heating, forming alkane. This reaction is called decarboxylation. But another important reaction you can write, that is very important, when this sodium salt of acetic acid undergo electrolysis, aqueous solution, which undergo electrolysis, that is also important for your competitive examination. When this solution, salt solution, undergo electrolysis, it is forming higher alkane. You see the difference. First, sodium acetate, when heated with soda lime, forming lower alkane. This is lower alkane. Lower alkane. But when this sodium salt of same salt of acetic acid undergo electrolysis, when undergo electrolysis, it is forming higher alkane. Higher alkane is produced. Mainly, this step is very important. That is, number of carbon increases. Here methyl group, so produce ethane. This is ethane. With ethane, what are the other product? Other product, as sodium metal is used, result is your hydrogen gas and sodium hydroxide and CO2. Both all are produced. These are the side product: hydrogen gas, sodium hydroxide and CO2, and ethane. Ethane is produced at the anode. This ethane is produced at the anode, and hydrogen gas produced at the cathode. This produced at the cathode. So these are one important chemical properties of acetic acid. And what are the chemical properties, what are the preparation, and what are the physical property. Then uses of acetic acid. If you discuss this thing, acetic acid is called used as a vinegar. As vinegar. It used as vinegar. Vinegar is mainly contain 5 to 7% acetic acid in water. 5 to 7%. 5 to 7% acetic acid is called as vinegar, and it is also used as laboratory reagent. Very important, laboratory reagent, used as laboratory reagent, and also preparation of alcohol, ester, and also used in paper industry, paint industry, polymer industry, vinyl, that is polyvinyl acetate, used as a polymer, preparation of polyvinyl acetate from acetic acid. So paper industry, paint industry, polymer industry also use, and some preparation of other organic compounds can be possible from acetic acid. So these are some important preparation, physical property and chemical properties and uses of acetic acid. Okay, and if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and press the bell icon for further notification. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Any doubt you have, please send your question and doubt in the comment box. Okay, thank you all.